Good morning, class. How are you today? Are you fine? Okay, I am fine too. Okay, welcome to our English class again. It is a very long time. Okay, since our last lesson we didn't meet again. So today it is an opportunity for us to meet again. Okay, so today I'm going to give you a very important lesson. Okay, that is, we are going to see the difference between two verbs. As you know that during our writing and speaking, we make some confusion between the use of the verb to do and the verb to make. So today we are going to discover together the differences between the two verbs. So all those who are not connected, let me tell you that you will miss something great. You will miss something important today. So please do your best to follow me well in order not to make some confusion in the use of the verb to do or to make. So without taking much time, let's move into more details. So the verb do or make. Do or make. I wish you know the verb to do and the verb to make. Okay, both of them are verbs, but there is a difference between them in terms of use. This is what we are going to see. So in the first part we are going to see the verb to do. Okay, we use the verb do when someone performs an action. Okay, action is a technical word, that is why I put it into color in yellow. Activity, a technical word too, or task. We use the verb do when someone performs an action, an activity, or task. So action, activity, or task are all synonyms. So look at the example here. So do expressed in these sentences means an action, an activity, or a task. Example, do a crossword. Do a crossword. Do the ironing. Do the ironing. Do the laundry. Do the laundry. Do the washing. Do the washing. Do the washing up. Do the washing up. So all these sentences express with the verb to do here means performing an action, an activity, or a task. So let's continue with another use of the verb to do. Do is often used when referring to work of any kind. That is why I put work of any kind, which is a technical word, in color. Do is often used when referring to work of any kind. When I say work of any kind, that is, it is not precise. It is something general. That is, here the work is not precise. Any kind of work. Okay? Example, do your work. When I say do your work, what kind of work? It is not precise. Okay? Do homework. Do homework. Do housework. Do housework. Do your job. When I say do your job, it depends on what you are. Whether you are a policeman, you are a housewife, you are a technician, you are a carpenter, you are a mechanic, you are a teacher. It depends on your work. Okay, do your job. Okay. Note: these activities do not usually produce a physical object. That is, the action, cited here. The result is not to produce a physical object. Okay, this is what the note means. Okay, the note means that these activities or this example, expressed here, with the verb to do, it is not to produce a physical object. Thank you so much. Okay, we are going to see another use of the verb to do. Okay, here let me tell you that to do is used for general ideas. Do for general ideas. Okay, we use the verb do when speaking about things in general. Okay, things in general. Let me put it in color because it is important. Okay, things in general. Let me use the green color. So we use the verb do when speaking about things in general. When I say things in general, it is general, not particular or not precise. Okay? So we use the verb do when speaking about things in general. That is to say, to describe an action without saying exactly what the action is. Okay? In other words, to describe an action without saying exactly what the action is. Okay? This is what is expressed here, speaking about things in general. This form is often used with the words something, okay, something, nothing, nothing, anything, anything, everything, everything, etc., etc. Okay? So if you want to express do for general ideas, okay, which is speaking about things in general, let me tell you that you have to use the following words: something, nothing, anything, everything, etc., etc. Okay? Let's see the example. I am not doing anything today. I am not doing anything today. So here it is vague. I am not doing anything today. He does everything for his mother. He does everything for his mother. She's doing nothing. She's doing nothing. So let me tell you that don't be afraid. Don't be afraid of the tense expressed here. The tense is not a matter. Here the only matter is to know how to use the verb to do. Okay? But anyway, I'm going to help you with the tense. I'm not doing anything today. Let me tell you that the tense expressed here is the present progressive or the present continuous. He does everything for his mother. Here it is the simple present. The simple present. As it is the third person of the singular, he, that is why I put es at the end of the verb. And she's doing nothing. Here too, it is the present progressive or the present continuous. So the tense is not a matter here. The matter is to know how to use to do. Okay? So let's continue. Now the following point is that we are going to say some important expression with do. Okay? Some important expression with do. So let me tell you that this expression normally they have to be learned if you want by heart. Okay? Because if you want, they look like idiomatic expressions. Okay? They look like idiomatic expression with do, which means that there is no rule here. So you have to learn them. So there are a number of standard expressions that take the verb do. There are a number of standard expressions that take the verb do. That is what I was saying a few minutes ago. Here, when I say standard expression, it means that these expressions are used with do, the verb to do. So they look like idiomatic expressions which are used in a particular way. Okay? So there are a number of standard expressions that take the verb do. The best solution is to try to learn them. Okay? So in order to know all of them, the best solution is to learn them by heart. Okay? The first one is what? Do badly. Do badly. Do business. Do business. Do the dishes. Do the dishes. Do a favor. Do a favor. For example, can you do me a favor, please? Can you do me a favor, please? Okay. Do goods. Okay. Do good. Do harm. Do harm. Do well. Do well. Do your best. Do your best. Do your best. Do your nails. Do your nails. Do your worst. Do your worst. Do time. That is to say, to go to prison if you want. Do time means to go to prison. Okay? As I was saying, these expressions used with do are particular. Okay? So the use of do here is very, very particular. There is no rule. That is why I told you that it is do here is like is used like an idiomatic expression. That is why I told you that the best solution is to learn them, because there is no rule. Okay, so let me repeat them for you. Do badly, do business, do the dishes, do a favor, do good, do harm, do well, do your best, do your hair, do your nails, do your worst, do time, that is to say to go to prison. Okay. Now we have finished with the use of to do. Let's move on the use of make, the verb to make. Okay, the verb to make. Okay, now we are going to discover together when to use make. We use the verb make for constructing. Okay, this is a technical word. Let me put it in color in order to emphasize it. Which color am I going to use? So let us use the red one. Okay, so for constructing, building is a technical word too, so I will give it to another color. Okay, the blue one. Or creating too, I will put a color to creating. So let me use so I will take a gray color. Okay, so we use the verb make for constructing or building or creating. These three technical words are synonyms if you want. When I say to construct, is the same like to build. Okay, to build is almost the same like to create. That is to say, when I construct or I build or I create, all these means the same thing. Okay, so we use the verb make for constructing, building or creating. Okay, so if you remember well, when we were saying do, I told you that do is used when someone performs an activity, an action or a task. So at the level of make, it is not the same. It is not the same case. So make is used for constructing or building or creating. Example: make a dress. Make a dress. When I make a dress, it means that I'm building a dress, or I'm constructing a dress, or I am creating a dress. Okay. Make food is the same. Make food. Make a cup of tea. Make a cup of tea. Make coffee. Okay, make coffee. So the use of make here means construct, build or create. Let's continue. We are going to see another use of to make. Make is often used when referring to preparing food of any kind. Okay, food of any kind. That is here, it is all type of food if you want. Okay. Make is often used when referring to preparing food of any kind. Example: make a meal. When I say make a meal, what kind of meal? I don't know. Make a meal. Okay, make a meal. Make breakfast. Make breakfast. Okay, make breakfast. Make lunch. Make lunch. Make lunch. So the verb to make expressed in these three sentences is referring to food of any kind. Okay, let's continue. Another example is make dinner. Okay, make dinner. So there is a note here too. This activity, that is the example I gave you a few minutes ago, this activity usually creates something that you can touch. When I say that something you can touch, that is you can touch, for example, with your hand. For example, food, you can touch food with your hand. A dress, you can touch dress with your hand. Okay, so the result here is to create something that you cannot touch. Thank you. Now, with the verb to make too, we have some important expression to know. Okay, so important expressions with make. Okay, there are a number of standard expressions that take the verb make. There are a number of standard expressions that take the verb make. Here too, this expression can be considered as a geometric expression. That is, they are used in a particular way. They are not used here following a rule. No, they are used in a particular way, particular situation. So their meanings are particular. Okay, so there are a number of standard expressions that take the verb make. Here too, you can try to learn them. That is, learn them by heart. Since there is no rule for them, the best solution is to try to learn them. Okay, now we are going to discover them. Example, make amends. Okay, make amends, make arrangements, make arrangements, make believe. Make believe. Make believe here means to pretend. For example, to pretend someone or pretend something. Okay, make believe means to pretend. Okay, make a choice, make a choice, make a comment, make a comment, make a decision, make a decision, make a difference, make a difference, make an effort, make an effort, make an inquiry, make an inquiry, make an excuse, make an excuse, make a fool of yourself. Make a fool of yourself. Make a fortune. Make a fortune. Make a remark. Make a remark. Make a remark. Make a sound. Make a sound. Make a speech. Make a speech. Make a speech. Let's continue. Make a suggestion. Make a suggestion, make a visit, make a visit. Okay, let's continue with the other side of example. Make friends. For example, make friends. Okay, make friends, make a fuss, make a fuss, make a fuss, make a journey. Okay, so put in mind that journey here is a false friend. It doesn't mean the day as it is expressed in French. No, here journey means a travel. Okay, so do not confuse it with the day. Make a journey, make love, make love, make a mess, make a mess, make a mistake, make a mistake, make money, make money. Make a move, make a move, make a noise, make a noise, make a payment, make a payment, make a phone call, make a phone call, make a plan, make a plan, make a point, make a point, make a profit, make a profit, make a promise, make a promise, make time, make time, make your bed. Meaning to prepare the bed for sleeping in. Okay, make your bed means to prepare the bed for sleeping in. Okay, here is the end of the verb, the use of the verb to do and the verb to make. I wish you enjoyed the lesson. Okay, so today, okay, so I wish now you will no longer make a difference in the use of the verb to do and to make. Okay. If it is so, it means that this lesson has been profitable to you. So, thank you for your attention. Okay, we shall meet for another lesson. Thank you so much.